How to connect mobile network to Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Enable Hotspot on your mobile device. On your smartphone, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot, and Tethering. The exact location may vary depending on your device. Turn on the Mobile Hotspot feature and make note of the network name and password. Step number 2. Open Network Settings on your Samsung TV. Press the Home button on your Samsung TV remote to access the main menu. Navigate to Settings and select it. Step number 3. Go to Network Settings. In the Settings menu, go to General, then select Network. Choose Open Network Settings to set up a new Wi-Fi connection. Step number 4. Select Wireless as the network type. Choose Wireless as the network type. Step number 5. Connect to your mobile hotspot. Your Samsung TV will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your mobile hotspot's network name from the list. Enter the password for your mobile hotspot when prompted, then select Connect. Step number 6. Confirm connection. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet via your mobile network.